Living minimally and simplifying my life has a calming effect in many areas of my life. I'm sharing my minimalist tips for beginners, and hopefully these will help you along your minimalist journey. I've lived a mindful and minimalist lifestyle for over 13 years now. Today I'm going to share with you a few of the tips that helped me get started and also some things that I've learned along the way. You may be thinking about possibly implementing some minimalist habits to help simplify your life. This is your unique journey. No two minimalist lifestyles are exactly the same. So shape your life to incorporate what's important to you, your values, your beliefs, and most importantly, why you're choosing to simplify your life. Why do you want to start living simply and minimally? Having a clear intention about why I want to do something makes it far easier for me to begin a new habit. Thinking about my why comes in super handy as a motivator and also as I begin to declutter items in my house. Maybe you want to save money. Maybe you want to save time cleaning your house. Maybe you want to reduce your carbon footprint. Or perhaps you just want a stress-free environment that you know where everything is at. Our reasons are all different for becoming a minimalist and trying to live simpler. We became minimalists in 2008 during the recession. And my reason why is because I had to declutter my house because I was downsizing. My reason for living a minimalist lifestyle has changed and shifted many times over the last 13 years. At one point, it was because we were traveling around the US in an RV. Another time, we were traveling nomadically abroad. And now, currently, my reason is because I like my home having a clean, tidy, and peaceful feeling to it. Your reason why is completely unique to you, your intention, and your lifestyle. Being mindful of everything you own. As you begin to shift through your personal belongings, really being aware if these are things that you love, you use, or that add value to your life. I've simplified my home, so now the only things in it are the things I love, use, and the things that add value to our life. For me, minimalism is not about depriving myself or trying to live by very rigid rules. I believe in having all of my needs being met, but without living in excess. Minimalism is a lifestyle choice. As you begin, please be kind and patient with yourself as you embark on this new journey. You are the only person that needs to decide what valuables you want to keep and which ones you are willing to let go. Each person will want to keep various things depending on what they value most, where their hobbies lie, the people who live in their house with them, and their lifestyle. Remember that there's no one perfect way to be a minimalist, and it is uniquely shaped around you. Decluttering. Start small. When my home is cluttered with a lot of objects, it can make me feel very anxious and overwhelmed. Decluttering my items really helps keep my house nice and tidy and clutter-free. By taking time and starting small in your decluttering, this will really help take away that sense of overwhelmment if you're looking at decluttering an entire house. Instead, just focus on one small area where when it's decluttered, you will have a sense of accomplishment that will make the biggest impact on your daily life. Let's say that maybe reorganizing and decluttering your kitchen is a great place to start. However, a little too intimidating right at the beginning. So maybe you begin by just clearing off all of your kitchen countertops, utilizing your cupboards and your drawers to put things away. Let's say you want to declutter your closet, but you don't know where to begin. Maybe start even smaller with going through your purse or your wallet and getting rid of any kind of trash, loose papers, or things that just don't belong there. However small your decluttering process is a huge win. Live organically with your possessions. As you are tidying up your home, notice if there are certain things that always find their way to specific areas. If they are, create a home for that thing in that zone so that you are working with your natural flow and rhythm that your household is already in. It's far easier to stay organized and clutter-free if you're living organically with your items. Mindful consumerism. From here forward, try to be more mindful when you buy things. Before I buy anything, I usually ask myself a series of questions like, is this something I really need or is it just a want? Was I planning on buying this item? Do I have duplicates of this already? By buying this item, is it aligning with my reason why I want to simplify my life? Becoming a mindful consumer is so valuable when you're trying to simplify your life and live minimally by just being mindful of the things that you buy and bring into your home. Your minimalist journey is going to be unique to you. There's no right or wrong way to be a minimalist. Take it at your own pace and honor wherever you're at today. Thanks so much for watching this video today on minimalism. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and maybe check out some of these other videos on mindful living. Have a wonderful day.